guys, this is Lauren and
Beta channel.
Today we are going to be
looking at the slime we have made.
Well, some of them, a lot of them I made. I think some of them me and you made. Only one of them. Or at least a few. Okay, so the first one, most of them I named. Well, yeah, I named them because they wasn't here when I named them. So. This one's purple. It's kind of like wet right now because it's been like hot in my room. But it is called camouflage purple. It's called that because one time we were going on the trampoline. We made this slime outside. And I dropped it on the ground and I was like, oh, let's just name it camouflage purple. There's nature in it. So it's going to be really nasty. Should we take it out?
Well, I'm taking this off.
Yeah, you better. Okay, go. This is really bad.
Oh, I feel really cool now that I got that off.
Go turn the fan off.
No, I feel good now.
Well, okay then.
Okay. And thank you for 23 subscribers. We passed the point of 20.
See, now we have to get past the...
We have to at least get to 30.
Yeah.
Once we get to 100, we're going to start going by twos.
And then... Okay, unlock the door. Unlock the door. Okay, we're coming. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. Wow.
Can I see you for 1 second, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You on the diamond.
Healthy slime that she has made. I don't like it. I mean, I kind of like it sometimes, but it's very meltish. It's not even a word then. It is really soggy. But, yeah. Yes. Ew. That's why I don't like it. And comment down below if you want us to make more slime videos. We might try to do Try Not to Laugh.
We're going to Chunky Chunks. But you know what I said? I'm staying here. Don't worry about it. I know you wanted me.
Chunky Chunks?
Yeah,
like
it's where you get
Chuck E.
ice.
Cheese?
No, it's where you get ice cream.
Okay.
But we got ice cream in our freezer, boy. But what's that the problem about? So, have you been showing them?
Get over! I'm trying to get this to normal.
What have you been saying to them?
I do not like this slime.
Did you play
It
with
got
it?
on me. That's what I mostly said. Can I write down slime?
It's fine. Okay, it's fine. They see what we're doing here. So, this is it. It's like,
comment down below
if you like
squishies.
Like, yeah. We're at my house right now. So.
Her house.
Yeah, my house. It doesn't matter about that. So, all the stuff you see is just mine. That's mine. That's mine. She's not mine. That squishy's mine.
Oh, and comment down below. Comment down below if you remember our egg rattle
video.
And I'm sorry, we said egg on accident.
It's not my problem, it's Bea's problem.
My problem. I put 2 G's, I don't know what happened.
Let's go. Again.
This is mine. Hers
Mine broke. Mine was pink.
Mine was purple.
Pink. I had the pink egg. Y'all can go watch that video. See. And this one is called bubblegum. Pink bubblegum. This one's not that stretchy. So the rating for this one is like 100. Just
a lot of songs.
We have to go 1 out of 10. I'm having to give it a 5 just because of the stickiness. And let me come. This is called watermelon. We have so many pinks, y'all.
And well, I'm gonna give that the rating for camo,
A 5.
a 2.
How?
It's really sticky.
Okay, but that doesn't count because it's stretchy, pokey, and stuff. So you have
But
to
it
do
is pokey and blah, 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 all that stuff.
This one I have to give
This
like...
one is not that stretchy.
Yeah, so
as
this one
hers.
I have to give like a 4.
I'll give this one a 7.
I think most of
I mean, it is the pokey kind a little bit.
Mine's
It's
not
not that sticky, so
This
I'll
one's
give it
cute.
a 7.
I'll give it like a 5 too, because it's not sticky. It's like, and because it's really cute because it has little blue beads in it. So, yeah, moving on, people.
Yeah. Moving on.
This one is called Starburst.
Sparkle glam.
No. This one's called the Sparkle Rainbow. Because, like, there's all kinds, like, it's sparkly, and there's, like, rainbow in it. I like this one, you can do that. Because, like, there's rainbow, like, stuff in it, and then it's sparkly, so, the sparkly rainbow.
And go check out her Musically account thingy, whatever.
Yeah.
Her Musically.
Bear Cutie.
Under something 7, I think.
Yes.
Do you wear earrings?
Yes.
Do you have like a back to an earring I could borrow?
I think so.
'Cause mine, I lost mine.
Hey, where's my,
It right there.
hang tag? Oh, goodness, right? Low. Okay, you can kind of take a little search for one. I know there's one in there. There's one in there. Yeah, my grandma got it for me. There's one in there. Or you could, yeah, there's one. Wait, look, there's one there. Thank you. You're welcome. Where y'all go? Did you just lose it? Did you just lose it? Did yours fall out?
My teacher, she does this. If someone loses the back of an earring, she gets a little piece of an eraser.
Oh
And,
yeah, that's smart.
and it actually does work.
We need to start doing that. I lose backs a lot. That's why my grandma got me that, I guess. But there's Kenzie. Alright. They're going to town. Y'all don't hear.
Okay.
That's my brother calling for a
Kenzie.
girlfriend.
So,
So this is the Sparkle Rainbow.
Hey, is this John Wesley's jacket?
Yes, it's yours. Totally not mine. So
Yeah.
this is the Sparkle Rainbow. Show them yours.
what's this called?
Starburst.
Oh, yeah. Starburst. I'll give this one a 10.
Yeah.
It actually is stretchy. Let me count about the pokey. It is pokey.
Yeah, this one's stretchy.
I'll actually give it a 9 because I don't think it can do bubbles.
Yeah, I'll give this one a 9 too. It can stretch, it can poke, but the only thing, it cannot do bubbles. It's close, but it can't.
Like you can't, this can do bubbles, but tiny bubbles. So
Last one. I've kind of like a weird name for this. It's a food name. Y'all should on.
just say lemonade, because that,
Okay, it's lemonade.
or lemon.
I know my phone's dead, but where is it? I remember you saying your phone's dead.
Maybe it's in blank.
I was ringing the bell when you told me that.
Either it's on the trampoline.
It's not on the trampoline.
Okay, it's not on the trampoline then.
Well, come down here and help me find it right quick, please. I need to hear
Oh,
it right quick.
wow. Okay.
If y'all heard that bubble pop, that was actually louder than usual. That was actually my first time hearing like the loudest bubble slime pop. Yeah. Who cares about that? Okay, so this is called lemonade or lemons. I don't know what she's choosing, or she already said that, but I don't really remember. It's a lemonade or lemon. Because it actually is the color of that anyway. So just came up with it. Comment down below how many subscribers. Wait, never mind. Comment down below if y'all want us to do what's in the mouth challenge again. Yeah. And, well, I'll show you something. At least something. This is Lauren when she was 4. Comment down below if she was cute. I'm done with that. Okay. This tiny one I like. It's the Starburst. I think what it's called. Right? Starburst?
Yes.
Yeah, Starburst. Okay, Starburst is
I got me some
the
cake,
one that
guys.
I like.
Did you show the yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called lemonade. I have to give this like a 10.
Yeah, 10. I played with it. So,
Pretty
a 10.
pokey and stuff. And like, it's really stretchy. Like, no. Like,
Too much people have come in the room during the
I know,
vlog,
like, I know.
right?
Like, maybe they want to be on our YouTube channel. Like, so this is it's so stretchy. So yeah, I have to say my
Oh,
face.
and Lauren, I don't think...
The only thing I don't like about this, I actually have to give this an 8 because every time you play with it, there's
Bees fall out?
Yeah, bees fall out and there's sparkles on your hands. So I have to give that one an 8.
Well, I just want to say, I don't really think Noah did this, but on the What's in Your Mouth challenge, if you've seen the whole thing of that, my dad thinks that Noah picked his nose. Because he was like, and he wanted me to tell you that.
This.
I know, I thought that, but yeah.
When?
In the What's in the
Was it my
Mouth
turn?
challenge.
With my blindfold on?
Yeah, with your blindfold on, I think.
Your dad watches our YouTube videos?
No, he just saw one last night because I was watching them.
I love this place. So, like, subscribe, and comment down. Wait.
Comment down below
What you want us to do next. And
And
peace out.
out.